Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 3 EVS. Okay, so today we'll start. This is the lesson number 21, the game hide and seek. Yes, students, you are also like to want play. Yes, so when you are going to playground, so you are enjoying a lot. Yes, you are playing a different type of game. Yes, you are playing, so hide and seek also you are playing. The slide is that is also you are playing. You are using ball, so ball game also you are playing. Yes, a different type, that is lagori also you are playing. So all different types of what games you are playing and enjoying in the ground. Yes, so here also students, in the class 3rd standard students, so those are also want to playing here which game, that is the game hide and seek. Okay, so classify the game into indoor games and outdoor games. So we will be a separation of here. Indoor games means here inside we are playing, inside room or inside home we will be playing, that is okay. So that is we can call as an inside game. Outside means here, so in the ground we will be playing. Yes, that is a outdoor games. So get more information about local and traditional games. Local games, which are the local games and which are the traditional games. So we will be give a more importance, that is. So understand the benefit of playing games. Yes, so when we want to play, when you will be play, so what is the benefit of that playing games? That is good for health. Yes, so your height is also increasing when we are more interested in playing. Yes, so know about the entertainment available through story books, games, radio and TV. So these also given entertainment, but when we are playing, that is a more important too. So these all, so those these all related to these all, it given a more entertainment when we are playing in the ground. Yes, okay. Yes, in this picture we can watch. Yes, you can see here in this picture. So in this picture you will observing here the kids are playing here. See, all are means hiding back of the what trees. Yes, so here see a girl is closing his eyes. So this game we can call as a hide and seek. So that hide and seek, when we can be close our eyes, they can say some words here. The kanna mucche kade gude, ಉದ್ದಿನ ಮೂಟೆ ಉರುಳೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಡುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಗಿಡದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಬಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, yes, when we will be close the eyes, we will be say the like this words, or we can say this like saying. So after they all are hiding inside the marauds, means inside what it is, they are hiding in the things or as a tree. So Rani sang the song aloud and opened the closed eyes of Ranga. It means Rani is song this one. It means Kanna mucche kade gude, uddina moote urule hoitu, namma hakki bitte bitte, nimma hakki muchkoli. So this song is, who song this one? Rani song this song, and loudly they are, means that song is listening all they are who are hiding in. Okay, so then they can be close the eyes of Ranga. So when that is a Ranga, his voice, when she was singing the song, Suma, Vinay, John and Hasina hide behind the tree. All are, when that song is singing, all they went and hiding the tree. When Ranga was searching for them, Suma, John and Hasina came quickly and touched Rani and shouted. Yes, so all they are, slowly they will come. So who is that one? Ranga is searching all, but Suma, John and Hasina, so they all came quickly and touched Rani. Loudly they are, what? They are saying, oh, we touched Rani. So we touched Rani, but Ranga touched Vinay before he touched Rani, then and shouted out. Meanwhile it started raining. It means raining. So here, so all they will be touched what? Rani, and they are means loudly they are shouted, they are, oh, we touched Rani, but Ranga is touched Vinay. He touched before only, he touched of Vinay, and he touched Rani and shouted out. So he is also going to touch Rani and he is shouted out. Meanwhile, it started what? Raining. The children went to the house of Ranga. So in that time the rain started. Ranga. My uncle has bought many story books. Would you like to see them? All they went to a Ranga's house because in the time the rain started. Yes, all the friends went to a Ranga's house. Ranga is tell here, my uncle has bought so many stories book. Would you like to see those books? He is asking. Vinay, no thanks, today is Sunday, let us watch children's program on TV. Yes, so Vinay is telling here, no thanks, story books, leave that. Today is Sunday, we will be enjoying the moment, so we will watch a children's program on the TV. So Rani, no, we shall listen to the songs over the radio. It means Rani, she is also not interested to watching a TV. She is telling that one. So no, we shall listen the songs on the radio. So all, no, let us play the game. So all together they all say us, no, we don't want radio, we don't want a TV, and we don't want a story books. Only we will be play. So all right. Then what game shall we play? Discuss the started once again. So all they are started to discussion. So which type of game we will be play? Rani, let us play Chaukabara. So Rani is telling here Chaukabara we want to play here. Ranga, but we are 6 members here. Chaukabara can be played by only 4 members. Remaining 2 members they are extra. But can't to play all. So here Ranga is, we are totally 6 members are there, but Chaukabara it needs only 4 members. Remaining 2 are leaving that one. So we all together we want to play. Suma, then let us play Halguni Mani. It means Atakuni Mani. So that is, let us play with that game. But John, no, only 2 people can play that. Oh, because we are 6 members, only 2 that play. So we don't want. Hasina, what about Keram? So Ranga, sorry, that Keram also, that means we don't have to Keram board. It means we don't have any Keram boards. So Vinay, let us play Achakallu. It means Ani Kallinata Adona Theatan. Okay. So John looked outside and said, rain has stopped. John went outside and he looked outside. So that is, rain has stopped. Let us go out and play the games. Yes, children came outside shouting with joy, and question arises. It means what the question is arises. Which game has to be played? Which type of game we will be play? Each one told the name of the games they know. That means they knew they had to choose one game out of Lagori. Monkey prank, Lagori, Chinni Dandu, marble game, spinning top, cricket, hopping game, skipping, and all ball game. So finally they decided to play the hopping game. So these all the games they will be, tell the names of all the games, but all they are decided to play, that is hopping. So write the name of all the games mentioned in the lesson. So which are the games? Those all are here. Those all are Lagori, monkey prank, then Chinni Dandu, marble game, spinning top, cricket, hopping game, skipping, ball game. So they all are decided to which game? That is hopping game. Yes, so all they want to play, that is hopping game. So they can given here, write the names of all the games mentioned in the textbook. Okay, so among these, write the name of the game played inside the house in the circle, and write the names of the games played outside the house in the field. In the square mark they can be given here. So mention the games here, inside games and outside games. Yes, so inside games, which are the games? They will be inside games, those all are carom, then stone game, chauka bara, ludo, then snake and ladder. These all the games we will play. These all are inside the game, or we can call as indoor games. Yes, so lagori, cricket, skipping and marble game, so ball game, these all are what? Outside games. Okay, so the game which are played outside the house, in the field or playground, those we can call as outdoor games. It means which games that we will be play outside the house or in the ground, those type of games we can be called as outdoor games. The games which are played inside the house are that we can call as indoor games. Yes, okay, so they can given here, write the names of here outdoor and indoor games. Like will be mentioned indoor games, outdoor, so we will be separating here outdoor games, lagori, monkey frank, marble, spinning top also it comes here, cricket, then skipping, ball game. So these all are we will play outside. Okay, so we will be separate indoor and outdoor games. Okay, next see they can given here, make a list of the games which you play under the guidance of your teacher. So which type of what games you will be play with the help of your elders or with the help of your teachers. Like here kabaddi, yes, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, football, relay, volleyball, then throw ball, then basketball, running, musical chair, then badminton. So these all the games we will play under the guidance of our teacher, your teacher or as your elders. Okay, yes. So they can given here some of the games. Here that games is here Kabaddi, then here pulling rope, then cricket, spinning top, chauka bara, gilli dandu. Here they can be playing here ludo, then marble, then kannamuche, kuntapille, then play with kite, football, then skipping. These all the games they will be playing and enjoying. They can given here one of the activity, write the names of the games so that played in the picture, they can be given in the previous pages. So also write the names of the materials required to play them. So if you do not know, ask your elders and write down. So name of the games they can be mentioned here. Name of the game, name of the game, here materials required, materials required. Yes, so for example marble game, what it needs? Marble games, what are the materials required? Marble games, so it requires marbles. Yes, and playing kite, so which type of flying kite, which type of materials we will be required? Flying kite, that is kite thread, kite and thread. Yes, like here, like a football, what you need? Football, we need a ball. Yes, like you will be mentioned here. So name of the games will be mentioned here and what type of materials needs to this game. Okay, so mention that all. Write the names of the games that can be played using a rope, stone and tamarind seeds. So which type of what games we will be play with the help of rope and stones. So stones we will be using, that anekallu, then rope, pulling a rope we are using tamarind, that is chaukabara. Yes, we will be playing these all using of these things. And next they can given here, you have a ball, which games can you play using this ball, and write them in the squares which are given around the balls. So around the balls they can be given here. So using this ball, yes, using this ball, which type of games you are playing? Using these balls, using which type of games? Like here badminton we are playing, that is using ball, small ball. Okay, then baseball, volleyball, basketball, football, then lagori, throw ball, then hockey. So these all the games we will be play using of what? Using of, yes, these all the games we will be play using of these balls. Okay, ball we are using, so you play a different types of games. So next they can given here, which of the above pictures do you like the most? Why? Here TV, radio, then storybooks they can given here, here spinning top. So it means these four. So these four, in which you like most and why? So using this entertainment, using these four games, using entertainment also is there, game is also is there. Okay, so which one you like and why you like most? Okay, so write down here any 4 lines. See here, we get entertainment and information from TV, radio and books. So playing games gives us entertainment, the body, mind, it means the body balance and mind freshness. Okay, so and playing games makes our body strong and healthy. What is the importance of playing? Why we will be play? What is the helpful, what is the benefit of playing here? Means playing games makes our body strong and healthy, and playing games is given entertainment, and also the body and mind is freshness of. Okay, this is the benefit of game. And make a list of the game you will play generally. Name an indoor games and outdoor games. So write here 4 lines about indoor games, about outdoor games. So which are the indoor games, what is the benefit of indoor games, and what is the benefit of, and which are the outdoor games. Okay, so play your favorite game with your friends. So they can given here, see students, play the game, play this game with your friend, and you and your friends should be hide your hands under the clothes. So one of you ask the question and otherwise others. Here see, so this is already you played this one. See, once I will recall that. Where have the hands gone? They have gone to the pear. What does the pear give? It gives sugarcane. What have you done with it? I have enjoyed its taste. Then what you do done with the rind? So I put it into a dung hill. What does the dung give? It gives a manure. What have you done with the manure? So I have spread it over the field. What does the field give? It gives us a grass, green grass. What you have done with the green grass? I have fed it to the cows. So then what have the cow given? So they have given us a milk. What do you do with the milk? I drink it and grown stronger. So it can be sung according to the use of the locality. Yes, this is the one of the game using, this is a song, this is will be sing this one and enjoying this game. Okay, so today this lesson is completed. Tomorrow we'll see the next lesson. Thank you for watching.